Hi everyone, if you have a lot of video just like me and want to remove it all at once, in this video I will show you how to do it. So first you have to go to the Chrome Web Store. From here click on this three dot and then extension, visit Chrome Web Store. Here search for YT Watch Later Assist extension, install it, and once it is installed go to your watch later page and refresh the page. Once it refresh, you will see this option, remove all videos. Click on it. So what this option will do is it will open your watch later tab in another window and start removing every single video one by one using a script. The time it will take depend on how many videos you have in your watch later. I hope you learned something new from this video. If it helpful, give it a like and do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.